Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RLOG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from, and certainly want to get things updated here as we head into the weekend. Not the best day for the chart, but by no means was it like a totally collapse or anything like that. So by no means is the overall chart ruined or anything like that. But the bears did take a little chunk out of it. But again, I suppose that does depend on your perspective. I mean, if you are a day trader and you bought right here during the first 30 minutes and wanted to sell within 10 seconds, and yeah, for you maybe the chart's looking disappointed. But from the big picture perspective, like I said, not the best day, but by no means a disaster either. So let's get some updates done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Going to get rid of that line. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but I don't want to have 8 million annotations everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. And that still leaves this overall level of resistance right here at $1.55. So that red line, which I talked about yesterday. The newest update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about $1.30 as that area of support. But now that the price is below it, this would be considered an area of resistance. And actually, you can see right here, price didn't quite hit it, but it got relatively close on the back test and just couldn't quite push through. So near-term level of resistance, opening up next week, going to be right there at $1.30, and then again up there at $1.55. But no point in talking about $1.55 right now until $1.30 can be broken. What about levels of support, since that one support was converted into resistance? Next key level of support would be this gap close area here, which is essentially where the price hit, and that's right here at $1.10. If $1.10 cannot hold, I'm not saying within 8 seconds the price is going to drop all the way down to that pink line right there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. But it would not shock me at all to see $1.10 not holding and then see the price drift down to at least that pink line. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself because as it stands right now, the bulls did a fantastic job of holding above $1.10. But in the event, like I said, it does break through, then that pink line could very well be in play to at least get tested. So we'll see what happens with it. Quite a few eyeballs on this one, so it'll be interesting to see how it unfolds next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.